friend Auto World followers. Today we are thrilled to present to you the much-awaited 2025 Nissan Patrol. In this video, we will dive deep into its design, weight, engine capacity, horsepower, fuel consumption, seating capacity, engine power, and comfort features. We'll also explore which countries the Nissan Patrol is most popular in, highlighting its global reach and demand. With its combination of rugged performance and luxury, the 2025 Patrol is designed to stand out, whether you're navigating tough terrains or enjoying long, comfortable drives. From its powerful engine to its spacious interior, it's truly a vehicle made to impress. Let's take a closer look at what makes this SUV a top choice for so many around the world. 2025 Nissan Patrol Y63 is a rugged yet refined full-size SUV designed for both urban and off-road driving. Here's a detailed breakdown of its specifications. Design. The Y63 features a bold, muscular design with an imposing front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a strong profile, conveying its off-road capability. The vehicle is built with a focus on both comfort and durability, with an aerodynamic design that enhances both its aesthetic appeal and fuel efficiency. Hash weight. The 2025 Nissan Patrol Y63 weighs approximately 2,800 kilograms, 6,170 pounds, depending on the trim and configurations. This weight is typical for a full-size 4x4 vehicle, providing stability on rough terrain while ensuring a smooth ride on paved roads. Tires. The Patrol is equipped with all-terrain tires, which are designed to provide excellent grip and durability on diverse surfaces, from smooth highways to rocky off-road trails. The large tire diameter ensures the vehicle can tackle tough terrains with ease while maintaining comfort and stability. Engine capacity. The 2025 Nissan Patrol Y63 comes with a range of engines. The most common option is a 5.6-liter V8 engine that delivers a perfect balance of power and efficiency. This engine offers an exceptional performance for towing and off-roading, making the Patrol a formidable vehicle for adventure seekers. Horsepower performance. The 5.6-liter V8 engine produces 400 to 420 horsepower, depending on the specific trim and model year. This provides the vehicle with ample power to handle demanding tasks such as towing heavy loads or navigating through challenging off-road conditions. The Patrol's strong engine ensures both high speed and excellent off-road capabilities. Fuel consumption. The 100 kilometers fuel consumption for the Y63 varies depending on the engine and driving conditions, but typically averages around 13 to 15 liters per 100 kilometers. This range reflects its large engine and off-road capability, but is reasonable for a vehicle of this size and power. Fuel efficiency can be affected by the terrain and driving habits. Seating capacity. The Patrol Y63 comfortably accommodates 7 passengers, offering a spacious cabin with high-quality materials and ample legroom. The third-row seating makes it an ideal choice for larger families or groups, with comfort and convenience being a top priority. Comfort features. The 2025 Nissan Patrol Y63 is packed with modern comfort features, including leather upholstery, heated and ventilated seats, dual-zone climate control, advanced infotainment system with a large touchscreen, premium sound system, panoramic sunroof, power-adjustable front seats, adaptive cruise control, multiple USB ports and connectivity options. The vehicle also comes with noise insulation to ensure a quiet cabin experience, even when driving at higher speeds or over rough terrain. In summary, the 2025 Nissan Patrol Y63 combines powerful performance, rugged capability, and high-end comfort. Its sophisticated design and robust features make it ideal for adventure and long-distance travel, while its luxury finishes ensure a premium driving experience. Nissan Patrol Y63, also known as the Nissan Patrol GR, is a popular SUV, particularly known for its durability and off-road capabilities. It gained significant popularity in several countries, including Australia. Known for its rugged terrain, the Nissan Patrol Y63 became a favorite for off-roading enthusiasts. 2. United Arab Emirates. It is widely used in the UAE due to its strong performance in desert environments. 3. Saudi Arabia. Similar to the UAE, the Patrol is a popular choice in Saudi Arabia for off-road adventures in the desert. 4. South Africa. Known for its versatility in both urban and off-road conditions, it has a loyal following here. 5. Middle Eastern countries. Countries like Kuwait, Oman, and Qatar also saw the Nissan Patrol Y63's popularity due to its reliability and off-road performance. In these regions, the Nissan Patrol Y63 is appreciated for its robustness, reliability, and ability to handle tough terrains, making it a top choice among SUV lovers and off-road enthusiasts. To stay updated with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment. Your support means a lot to us and motivates us to keep creating great content for you. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll always know when we post something new. We're always working hard to bring you fresh, exciting content, and we can't wait for you to be a part of our journey. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.